Yuri eat his broccoli so fast. Lan, I worm oh. This broccoli is without chemicals because it's still with worm. Grabe si Yuri makakain ng broccoli. Wala na oh. Marami ako nilutong broccoli. Ito na lang natira. Tapos mayroon siyang corn, egg. Egg, wala na rin. Maraming sweet potato. That's very healthy breakfast, Yuri. Very healthy, right? Wow, yummy broccoli. Very yum, yum, yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy. Wow. Do not eat like that. Just eat properly.
Каждый день идем и чего-то ждем, ясным теплым днем или под дождем. Есть много слов пустых, а что слышишь ты? Смотрю я лишь вперед, мечта меня ведет. Иду не просто так, и мне не нужен знак. Слышу вновь и вновь, дарит всем любовь.
You shooting, Mama? You filming, Mama? Hi, guys. Richard and I are cleaning our bathroom. Richard is my cameraman today. Si Dimitri, guys, ayun na, may bagong office na siya. May bagong working area siya. Diyan siya sa aming garage nagtatrabaho. Kasi may ano siya doon, may socket, may kuryente na dyan, pinalagyan namin ng connection. Ako naman, magluluto ako ng aming lunch dito. At habang nagtatrabaho nga ang aking asawa dun sa labas, ay magluluto naman ako ngayon ng aming pananghalian. Magluluto sana ako ng chicken curry, guys. Kaya naghiwa ako dito ng mga carrots, mga patatas, at mga iba pang pangsahog ko sa chicken curry. Kaso naubusan kami ng chicken curry powder, kaya ibang putahin na lang ang lulutuin ko. Patuloy kayong manood sa video para malaman nyo kung ano ang lulutuin ko ngayon. Ang lulutuin ko ay isa sa mga paboritong Filipino dish ni Dimitri. dining area. Dapat chicken curry sana to eh. Kaso naging afritada. Afritada siguro to. Kasi naubusan kami ng curry powder. So, ginawa ko na lang ganito. Sarap din naman to. Favorite din. Gusto din to ni Yuri at ni Dimitri. Ito ang sa akin. Si Yuri kanina pa kumain ng broccoli niya. Kasi busog pa yun. Dito ang bagong working station ni Dimitri. Gustong-gusto niya dito. May sea view daw siya. Sea view and neighbor. A neighbor view. Hindi pa natapos na aming kapitbahay ng asawa ni Lenlen na gawan to ng bakod. Kulang pa ang aming kawayan. Mag-harvest pa siya ng kawayan. Si Yuri nag-camping dyan. So what is this really? This is not garage anymore.
It's covered. I want to put your ottoman back. Just so.
Lunchtime. I wanted to cook chicken curry, but we don't have curry powder, so that's why I just cook it like that with tomato sauce.
This hill also covers us from there. Here is Jajanigang.
So fresh here.
And just make this
Sobrang fresh
privacy
dito.
fence. And so privacy.
How is it? Yummy?
Yeah. Done.
You want more?
What?
Lami kayo.
Like that. Yes. Like that.
You want star?
Yeah. And then like triangle. I want to say like that.
Hi everyone! Another day here in the bukid. Mag-varnish kami ng aming kubo. Kasi sobrang init na wala na yung kulay. Yun si Yuri at si Dimitri nag-varnish ng aming bamboo table. Diyan. Ang lubot ni Yuri. Yung ilalagay ko dito sa kubo. No, Yuri, you slipper there. Put it on. Yuri, what happened to your bicycle?
This bicycle. Wow. There's a bicycle.
Manananggal ang bicycle ni Yuri. Half na lang ang natira.
Wait, I will fix it.
Who broke it?
It's me.
You broke it?
Yeah, I broke Kuya motorcycle. Open that. Mama, open the gate.
Why?
Open the gate.
Did I told you don't go to Kuya's house because there are a lot of snakes. Yeah? Do you remember? You don't go out because there's a lot of snake now. Very hot. It's very hot. It's very hot outside. Your chick bicycle is so funny. It's his new favorite toy.
Hungry.
Why? Let's go.
Kuya is not.
You wanna go to Lemlem's house?
Kuya hungry.
Grabe, super init ng panahon ngayon. Dito sa bukid, fresh pa din ang hangin. Pero pag natamaan ka ng araw, sobrang init talaga. Si Yuri gustong pumunta sa aming kapitbahay. Oh, that's for Mama's garden. Cow manure.
It's my cow like that slipper.
Oh, no. It's cow's poop. It's cow's poo.
Water.
Yeah.
Water the ice lemon.
Is that your favorite toy now?
Yeah.
You like it? You don't play dump truck anymore? Wow, very nice.
Kuya, hi. Another tae.
Yeah, where is the tai? Cow's tai.
Kuya, this?
Let's go, let's go.
Look, I broke it.
You broke it?
Yeah. I used my hammer and stole it. I used my hammer hold down. I used my top. I did it.
Let's go, Yuri.
Wait, I want to say yak. Kamimi ay yak. Another food. Hi. Kuya?
Buko. Hala, nahugaw. Oh, nahugaw. May patilawa ko aning pula. Lami ba ni siya og sabaw? Ay, sabaw. Lami.
Angay sa yung buntag sige.
Tamis ni.
Dani.
Kaning pula. Oh, pula, orange. Orange di ay. Gagmay kay siya, no?
Ah.
Muna lami, mating init.
May eskwela na ron dahil.
Nag-ano sila, usay tawag ani?
Buto.
Nagbuko. Buko. Lagyan ng condensed milk. Masarap sa mainit na panahon.
Wala ka.
Patay.
Check the kuya there left. Check the left kuya.
What, kuya? Kuya Aldrin?
Yeah, like the same one. Mama, come on, let's go. Let's check the kuya.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi guys! Magandang hapon guys. Meron na kaming 33,000 plus subscribers sa aming Tagalog channel. Maraming salamat po sa pag-subscribe. Magluluto ako ng pansit canton to celebrate it. Lagyan natin ng manok, chicken breast, at chicken liver. To eat pancit. Very yummy pancit. Wow.